Welcome to Vijetha IAS Academy. My name is NP Kishore and I am the faculty of Anthropology here. See, for those students who have written prelims and have not prepared of their optional, there will be marginal section of students who have cleared prelims but did not clear, are not prepared with their optional. For such students, we are conducting Anthropology Optional Crash Course for those students who are appearing in 2026 UPSC CSE Mains. Now, this course is only for those students who have written prelims and are sure that they are going to clear the prelims. Now, this is not a live program. In this program, access to recorded classes are given. So, a student is expected to watch like 2 classes per day. And the duration of each class is 2 hours. So technically the student is spending 4 hours per day watching and understanding the classes to get the basic conceptual clarity. Now, along with these classes, you have daily answer writing, weekend test, sectional test and full length test, which will provide answer writing practice. Now, this program definitely helps those students who want to strengthen their preparation but started their preparation only after prelims, or maybe those students also who have superficial reading but do not have conceptual clarity and answer writing practice. They also can opt for this particular program. And as I am reiterating again, that this crash course is meant only for those students who have written prelims and are hoping that they will clear their prelims and write UPSC CSE Mains 2026.